Oh, can you give me an bro? Give me an. There are 2 hackers literally. This is not technical. What the heck? Yeah, bro. Because he's afraid he won't give you. Ooh, I'm so scared. I think I heard the noise, guys. I think you heard. I think you heard the noise. Wait, I'm gonna ask him. Make that noise. I hope you get this. Make that. Wait. Make that noise again. Make that noise again. Make that noise again. Let me just ask him. Wait, let's just see. Someone acting like Troopers 93. Let's see who's. I don't know. Yo, nice noise. Nice. No, wait. Why am I setting happy emojis? Yeah. Okay, so who's this guy? Yonik. They're not actually hackers. Okay. Whoa, why am I in the car? Wait.